Alright, let me show y'all how to do this, because I haven't seen no other videos on YouTube or any place else on how to do this, because I don't know why, but on these LaCrosse engines, there's some other engines that these damn engines is in. It's some type of truck, but it's the 3.5 Buicks. I think it's a Rendezvous. Yeah, Buick Rendezvous. But all these Buick engines, 3.6, 3.8s, gonna all kind of be like this. And what they tell you is, at the shop, when they look this stuff up, to replace these jokers, they tell you you gotta replace the whole head. It's non-serviceable, which I say is BS. You understand what I'm saying? It's always a way around stuff. They just want you to come back so you can spend a rack of money. Do you know how much a head right here, this thing, not the valves in it, not the cams, not the chain, none of that on it. Even to get that stuff on it, you looking at least $2,000 or more, at least, because the head gonna probably run you at least $2,300. Yes, $2,300, brand new. Find a used one, probably run you somewhere between $400-$600. But why you want to take a chance, and especially messing with these, because these is famous for leaking. So order offline like I told him to do. These are it right here. I forgot, I think it was Amazon, but he ordered a kit. No, it wasn't a kit. He had to order them individually. I think they was like $23 each, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around that price. But get them, that way you can stop this oil leaking down in here, because this is going to give you misfires each time that you keep driving it, like these three is doing. I just changed these a couple of weeks ago. These are new plugs that's down in there. Them are new core packs. You understand? And to prove another point, what I'm telling you is, see this core pack on how wet it is? That's the oil that's down at the bottom. That's going to give you misfires all day long. So I ain't going to keep rambling, but I'm showing how they do this. Because like I said, there's only one video I seen on YouTube showing how to do this. You get you a socket. This is a 22 millimeter on mine. Get you a pair of locking pliers, some large ones. You lock them on here so it don't deform, so you can be able to lock it on there without deforming around here. What you do is come back. See, I already got it loose. Shake it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What y'all see is out, right? That's what you do to get them out. Don't tell them, let them tell you that you got to spend thousands of dollars just to get these suckers out. Now you see all that oil down in there now. See what I'm saying? Put my light on. See all that oil? So let me go ahead like I said, so I can do this right, get it taken care of, then it'll be no more problems. So 2011 Buick LaCrosse spark plug tube seals. Any of these 3.6 or 3.8 engines. Alright,